In this lecture we are going to cover cp, copy and move and word count. So with the help of cp command in Linux use it to copy files and directories, not files, it is for files and direct. So here the cp and source file location, source file and destination file. The same way directory, source directory and destination directory. Here with the help of this option, what options? Small r, either capital R, copy directories recursively. Copies directory recursively in the sense including subdirectories. And -I is for prompt before. Prompt before in the sense it asks like question. If in case already directories exist or the file is exist, you want to rewrite, otherwise overwrite. It takes a permission. If you are giving a permission, then only it does the action, otherwise it never does. And -V, verbose mode, the prints the name of the each file as it is copied. And -P, it is a preserve all attributes. What is a preserve attribute? Just think about one file. This file 1 is there, file 1 is created by someone and he can provide some attributes like permissions, and it having a timestamps when it creates. And when you are forwarding, when you are copying this file 1 to another location, that situation you want to maintain these permissions as well as these timestamps, then you should go with this -P. Then it will be copy the file with the permissions and timestamps. So how you copy the file? cp file 1 file 2. The source is file 1 and file 2. The file 1 data will be stored in file 2. If this file 2 is already exists, just it overwrites. And if you want to copy the directory, what you can do? cp -R, and here the path of dir, and this is a source, and one more destination path dir. Then automatically recursively when we add this file, one file to another file, you provide -P. What happens? The permissions is also forward to file 2, applicable to file 2. And next one, a move. What is a move? Move is used to move the files or directories, either rename your files. Two things it will be do. So move and rename. Move or rename. So MV, and again it having some options, and source file or directory and destination directory, otherwise a file, source file or destination file. -I, it is a prompt, and -V, the print names of each file, it is a mode. And -U, update mode, moves only when source file is newer than the destination. When you are trying to forward one file, this is a one file and this is a one more file, and you are forwarding to here, it moves only when the source file is updates. Means already you move to here, but again you try to move this place. That situation it compares both files. This A file is compared to B file, and both are, again this also A, both are equal, same content, then it never copies. And even it updates, any updates occur, then only it moves to this location, to this location. So how you are forwarding your file? Like move file .txt and path of directory. This is a file and this is a path directory. Then the file is forward to this particular directory. And you want to rename MV and old file and a new file. Then this file name will be changed. And prompt files, MV -I, it takes a permission like file and dir location. It will be move the file to directory. And couple of files, move file 1, file 2, file 3 and path of directory. Then these 3 files are moved to one location. Then I'll go to word count. This wc command in Linux is used to display the count of the lines and words and bytes or characters in a file. Suppose there is a file. This file, how many words, how many lines, how much size, how many characters. So this type of information you require, then you follow this wc command and just wc and file name. And it is also having some options like wc -l file name. It is for number of lines. When you are going with the w, number of words, and when you are going with c, number of bytes, and when you are going with m, number of characters in a file, number of characters in a file. And we can single file, we can get wc just file.txt. then what we get like this answer 10, 20, 30 and 100 this way. So first one is number of lines, second one is words, third one is characters. This way we get. And counting the number of lines in a multiple files and multiple files. Suppose we have a multiple file word c and -l suppose, and file 1, file 2 and file 3. It calculates 3 files of the lines, number of lines. And within a directory, how many lines of content is there? wc -l star. Then within a directory, how many lines or code is there? Then it finds. Then I want to execute this all the things. So right now clear. So ls list items. So wc first last one wc. I want to execute like interview question. Suppose just information. The first one is number of lines and number of words and number of characters. This is a file, interview text file. Next one, only you required what is the number of bytes -c. How much size? The size is 2443 number of bytes. So number of characters you required 2443. Both are same. I want to open. So here I want to go with one more file -m. I want to mongodb.txt to one size, and -c I want to go to 186. Both are different, right? So I want to get couple of files number of lines, right? wc I want to go with interview, and I want to go with Angular, and I want to go with MongoDB. These are all the files information. So these are different files. Each and every file information clearly we are getting. This way we can get. The next one, we go to cover cp command. What is a cp? I want to go ls cp command. We need to copy. First of all, I want to copy, right? Present working directory I want to copy, right? Present working directory is, this is our present working directory. Here I want to create one directory, dir copied files. Copied files directory I created here, right? So here I want to enter cd copied directory and pwd. I want to save this present working directory, both files. So now I want to go files directory. So now I am in files directory. Here I want to open copy. I want to copy the file, right? cp, what is our file name? File 1, suppose Angular Angular txt. I want to paste this one in ang copy dot txt. Just you observe, cat, so file will be copied, file is created, and same ang file cp ang copy I want to move to particular directory. Where is the directory? This is the directory I want to move. I want to copy this directory and I want to move here. It will be works. The file is copied. For checking for that, cd change directory and ls. This copied Angular directory. Here, what command we are placing here? With the help of cp command, the Angular file is copied into ang copy. New file is created and data is copied. And with this command cp file and directory, the entire Angular copy file is forward to this directory. This file is forward to this particular directory. So here I want to copy this entire files directory cp -r recursively. I want to do this cp and this entire files directory I want to move with this one, this directory. Where is directory? New directory or copied files, right? In this directory I want to move. Just you observe, entire all files directories are moved to copied files. Open. So cannot copy directory home.ubuntu into itself. /cd/tmp present working directory. Yes, temp. So here I want to do this one. I want to copy this all the files in /temp /Srikanth. Suppose I want to do this, it will be created. Just to observe, ls list item, Srikanth directory is there. cd Srikanth, this is a directory, and open and list items. All files are copied. So in this way we can copy the files, and we need to move. Within this move file, I want to, first of all, I want to rename. So first clear. So ls abc file is there, abc.txt. mv file is abc.txt. So my new name, so I am changing my new name dot txt. Just you observe what happens. This abc file is not there here, and name was changed to my new name.txt. This is a bit difference. So one file name is changed, movie abc.txt is changed to my new name. Here, what is our present directory? pwd present directory Srikanth. Again I want to create one more directory, make directory. The file is Sri. This is our directory, one more directory. So within that I want to copy these all the files to. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.